Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you guys are new to the channel, stopping in for the first time, my name is Ryan. I'll be your host as always. Right now we are at the end of Hyde Pier here, so I will take you on kind of a little walking tour here and take you on some sights to see. So right straight ahead of you guys is Alcatraz Island. So if you guys can see that kind of off in the distance right there, that's where it is. And you can actually see the Golden Gate Bridge from here. Sorry, we are on the open water kind of out here, so there is quite a bit of wind noise, so I do apologize in advance for that. I'll try and dampen it the best I can with my shoulder and not look too much into the forward-facing wind for you guys. There is the Golden Gate Bridge right there in the distance. And you have these beautiful ships here. Kind of windy on the pier, but we'll kind of walk down a little bit and show you guys some of the sights to see in here. So it's kind of like an old maritime history thing that the city put out here. They also have a museum that's actually kitty corner across if you want to check that out. So this is part of the National Park Service here in San Francisco that has this all set up for you guys. You guys need to use the restrooms over on the left-hand side is that, and this little beach area over to the right as well. Seeing quite a bit of like bike rentals and different things like that you can do within the city for ease of transport to get from place to place. You guys can hear the ocean sounds, the seagulls, waves crashing up. And then these guys up on the left, I got some pretty cool slow motion clips of those, which I will show you right now.
This is the bonus.
Now that you guys have seen those clips, we'll continue our little way down here, kind of towards the Fisherman's Wharf. So they got a bunch of like restaurant shops, places to eat, hotels down here, bike rental shops, places to get some souvenirs, all sorts of stuff down here. Most renowned for the food though.
Of 1906.
Blue Mermaid Chowder House Bar and Grill over to the right. So this is the port of San Francisco here. Seafood pizza and pasta place up on the left. And Jack's, the old place for beers and steaks, is now shut down. Kind of work our way down towards the Fisherman's Wharf and Pier 39 for you guys, so you guys can see some of those things here in the beautiful city of San Francisco as well. It's that seafood pasta and pizza place up on my left-hand side here. There's all sorts of tour companies down here too. Lombardi Street isn't too far away from here. Actually, I took an Uber to Lombardi Street and just walk down here, so it's not too terribly far to walk if you go to Lombardi Street anyway. So down here they got a bunch of little shops and places like that. In-N-Out Burger, they had a line that was outside the door a little bit earlier, so I was gonna stop, grab a bite to eat. As always, is In-N-Out, but I didn't make it on the list just because of how busy it was. But if you're here in San Francisco, you need to do fish, seafood, stuff like that. So I think that's what we're gonna look for. We're gonna look for either some crab or possibly some lobster-ish type stuff. Unpaid Grotto, little fish spot. Yeah, Chipotle up over on the right. Lou's Fish Shack up over on the left. Castagnolia's Steakhouse and Seafood.
Yeah.
Heard that's really good bite to eat. I'm gonna have to definitely check that out and let you guys know for sure. I got the corner store, digital camera store, stuff like that. So if your camera equipment breaks, it's a good spot to go in there. I brought a backup gimbal. My first gimbal wasn't doing the job. It was going to be a pain in the ass, so we got this one. And so far so good. It seems to be working quite decent. But look at the views of the city, guys. It's pretty sweet. Cable car action. The old rail cars here, those are pretty sweet, guys. Check these out. Like straight out like 1930s and 40s. It's kind of weird. But we're kind of getting towards the Fisherman's Wharf, but that will be a separate video here, so I hope you guys like the port of San Francisco. As always, guys, if you guys like these videos, be sure to give them a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. If you guys want to consider supporting the channel, please do through the Patreon links that I'll post up in the description, as well as provide a link for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time.